Why are more people moving from fiat to crypto? Fiat money, the paper currency controlled by governments and banks, loses value every year through inflation. Your money buys less over time, but there is a way to reclaim your sovereignty. Here's why crypto is better. First, true ownership. No bank can freeze your account. And privacy, control your money without surveillance. Crypto allows for borderless transfers instantly 24/7 with low fees. Plus, assets like Bitcoin protect your wealth against inflation. Everything is on a public blockchain, verifiable by anyone. This means financial freedom, especially in countries with unstable currencies. How do you actually use crypto? First, get a secure wallet. Never leave large amounts on exchanges. Then, buy crypto on a reputable platform. Transfer to your personal wallet. From there, you can send, spend via cards, or hold as a store of value. Always prioritize security. This is where the NewEarthX Wallet comes in. Your offline, non-custodial USB hardware wallet. Bank-grade security in your pocket. Plug it in. Manage your assets privately. On-ramp easily and top up your virtual USDT-backed Visa card to spend daily in full ghost mode. Join the NewEarth platform for seamless on/off-ramping between crypto and fiat, plus upcoming full bank-like services. Ready to take control? Go to NewEarthX.com right now. Talk to a live agent in the bottom right corner for any questions. Get your NewEarthX Wallet today for only $299. Reclaim your sovereignty. Opt out. Go ghost. Stay free.